Very commonly I get questions about, do babies see chiropractors, do infants, when can we start? So you could start at any age. In chiropractic, we see babies, infants, all the way up to people into their 90s and even hundreds. There's really no limit. It's just gonna change the technique that's used. So a lot of the crazy YouTube, TikTok stuff that you're seeing with the loud pops and cracks and things like that, we're not doing with infants and babies, so don't be concerned. It's much lighter, more specific techniques. And the younger you start, the better you're gonna do long term. So think about getting to the problem before it actually starts.